I'm Dr. Baby Shalini, Assistant Professor of Botany, Nasir Margasis College at Plainmane, Nazareth. My topic is general characters and economic importance of gymnosperms. These are some examples of gymnosperms: Cycas, Pinus, Araucaria, Thuja, Cetrus, Picea, Abies, Juniperus, and Larix. General characters of gymnosperms. Gymnosperms have their ovules freely exposed before and after fertilization. The living gymnosperms are tall, evergreen, medium-sized trees or shrubs. The plant body is an independent sporophyte. It is differentiated into branched taproot and branched or unbranched stem with scale leaves and foliage leaves. Coralloid roots and mycorrhizal roots are found in some genera, example Cycas and Pinus. The reproductive parts are arranged in the form of compact cone. Hard cones are strobili. The cones are generally unisexual. Gymnosperms are heterosporous. And this is the Pinus cones. Next, economic importance of gymnosperms. This slide shows various uses of gymnosperms. Some gymnosperms are used as wood. Some gymnosperms are used as food for human beings. We obtain certain products like resins, essential oils prepared, and some gymnosperms are used for ornamental purposes. Some gymnosperms produce certain chemical substances which are used as medicines to cure various diseases. Food. Cycles are good source of starch. Sago is obtained from the pith and cortex of stems of Cycas racinalis, and Cycas rhamphii is used as food. And seed starch obtained from the endosperm or kernel of the seeds of Cycas racinalis, Cycas rhamphii, and diuniodule is used as food. Next, the seeds of Netum genomon, Netum latifolium, Netum ulla are edible. Next, medicines. The juice prepared from the tender leaves of Cycas racinalis is used to treat skin diseases, stomach disorders, and to arrest vomiting. The young seeds of various species of Cycas are used to stomach purifiers and to treat bowel complaints. The seeds of Netum ulla is used to treat rheumatism. Next, wood. Timber obtained from gymnosperms. Cedrus deodara produces best quality of Indian timber. Wood centered and resistant to insects and fungal attack. Used for making furniture, railway sleepers, and also for construction purposes. Next, essential oils obtained. Essential oil, rosin, and Canada balsam. Resins from Picea abies used as a chewing gum and checks toothache and headache. Canada balsam is obtained from Abies balsamia and used as a mounding medium. Is in biological preparation. Next, ornamental value. Many gymnosperms are grown on ornamental plants. Cycas, leafy ornamental, Araucaria, Thuja, Podocarpus, Juniperus small tree, bonsai. These are Cycas seeds, Jingo seeds. Thank you.